Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to backup and restore your registry on your Windows 7 computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly quick and straightforward tutorial. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, just by left clicking on the Start button one time. And you want to type in regedit, so regedit. Best match in our program should say regedit, so you want to left click on that one time to open it up. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. Now, while the computer option at the top is highlighted or selected, you want to left click on the File tab at the top, left click on Export to create this backup. Now you can name this backup whatever you want. I'm just going to call it backup, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. I would highly recommend that you move it to an external media source once you've created the backup, just so you have it in a safe location. Then you want to click on Save. And now let's say you want to import the backup at a later date. All you have to do is go back up to the File tab by left clicking on it one time, and then click on Import. Now I'm going to select my registry entry backup that I have saved to my desktop at the moment, and then I'm going to click on the Open button right here. Do not be concerned if you get a pop-up that says that not all data was successfully written, because the registry currently is in use. There are some keys that will not be able to be pasted in. However, the majority of them should, and this should be able to restore most of your files back to your registry. Now, there are other ways to do it, but for the most part, this is pretty straightforward, and I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.